Meantime, many families in Brevard County are still dealing with the aftermath of the historic rain over the weekend, with water, as you can see here from Chopper 2, still drenching neighborhoods.
Yeah, the area got 14 inches of rainfall, causing water to creep into a lot of homes. Watch News Brevard County reporter Megan Moriarty is live in Titusville right now with the very latest. Megan.
And we're in a neighborhood off of Singleton Avenue where some of the streets look better. There were city crews out here today pumping some of this water out, but you can see behind me that there is still some standing water that remains. It's about ankle deep. As you can see, some kids are playing over in it right now, but there are a lot of people who unfortunately had some of this water get in their homes, and a lot of them said that they didn't have flood insurance. From flooded roadways to saturated lawns and some homes taking in water, dozens of families in Brevard County have been hit hard.
We got home and it was pouring in my back door. I had an inch of water in my kitchen, laundry room, dining room.
Jared Burns says he was driving home to Titusville on Sunday night with his kids and wife. He says he drove through people's lawns just to get to his home.
It was terrifying. I can deal with hurricanes. Hurricanes are fine. I know there's water coming. I get sandbags. I tarp off the back screen porch where it's not coming in through the screen. You can prepare for it. We didn't even know there was a storm coming.
Many people have echoed the same concerns to Red Cross volunteer Kathy Burkett.
Unexpected. We didn't think. We weren't in a flood zone. We aren't in a flood zone. And a lot of the fear is the cost with the homeowners insurance being as high as it is, and the additional cost of flood insurance is A, they couldn't afford it, or B, they didn't think they needed it.
Steve Trout of Brightway Insurance in Rockledge says he's put in at least a dozen claims for homeowners with flood insurance this week, but there's been many calls from people who don't have coverage.
Flood insurance can be, unfortunately, sometimes unaffordable. And that's where the private market has stepped in and came out with more affordable options for people to cover their homes.
He says a few things you should do before buying flood insurance: determine your flood risk, compare policy options from the National Flood Insurance Program versus private insurers, and shop around. If you have flood insurance and you're impacted, you'll want to start your claim immediately. Document the damage with videos or pictures, meet with an adjuster, and make sure to submit a proof of loss within 60 days of the flood.
I mean, you got people down here that can't get out of the neighborhood.
For Burns, he says his landlord and other family members have been a huge help.
It was terrifying. I've never experienced something like that. There's not words for it.
And for anyone who might need a place to stay, the First United Methodist Church in Titusville, which is on Hopkins Avenue, they are providing shelter through the Red Cross and Salvation Army until tomorrow night at 6 o'clock. You can also get groceries there if you need, if you don't have access to groceries, and they also have cleanup kits that they're giving out as well. Covering Brevard County live in Titusville, Megan Moriarty, WESH 2 News.